Hi, this is the demo for the AI rapper competition for my app, which is Easynotes. Easynotes is an AI-powered LMS app that can help students study, transform the way students study by making it more advanced, analytical, and adaptive. So now, right now, I've logged in as a teacher right here, and these are the two courses that I've already created. For the sake of the demo, let's create a new class. So demo course 101 with, let's say, AI wrapper competition, and start date is this, end date is this. Let's create this class. So now we've created this demo course 101 right here. What we can do is we can copy this code right here that will be giving to the students later so they can enroll in the class. Furthermore, what we're going to do is we're going to add our lecture content right here. So a teacher can basically add all the lecture content here. So it's accessible for the students and the AI as well, so that the learning and the answers that they ask from the AI are course related and course driven rather than the AI hallucinating and giving generalized answers. So now, as we can see, both the lectures have been uploaded. We have the in the teachers portal, we have the option for to take notes, create quizzes, journals, or we can go into settings and change our password, etc. Now I am going to be logging out, and what I'm going to be doing is now I will be logging in as a student. So now I've been logged in as a student. I've already been enrolled in these two courses, but now I want to enroll in the course that we just created. So I will copy the code and I have successfully joined the class. So I can see here the demo course 101 that we just created. As I go inside, I can see the lectures that the teacher uploaded there and I can download them for my own use. I can ask the AI questions about these documents, anything that I'm confused or about or any concepts, and AI would help me with references. As a student, I have the option of taking notes, so I can go into the notes section. I have all these classes for the sake of this class that we created right now. I'm going to go inside of it and take a notes. So let's say create a note, and let's say chapter one, and I want to create a note for myself, which is learn log transformation, and I can save my note, and my note is now here. So whenever I come back, I can see I left myself a note and I can go back to it. The other option is for the journal entry. So journal is very interesting. So when we go here, we go into our demo course 101. This is the note that we created. So, and we can go inside of it and create a journal, or we can create a new journal. So what for now we're going to do is we're going to go inside our note and create a journal. So this was our note. So as I can see here, the main highlight of our app is the Tesla bot right here. So so Tesla basically helps us with everything according to our course content. So if I wanted to learn, please, I can write here, please explain to me the concept of log transformation. So what will happen is this will go in the course content that was uploaded by the instructor and it will fetch me answers from there which are relative to the exam. However, so this is because this was not directly explained the concept, so it clearly told me. But however, it told me that the document one that I uploaded described it a transformation that is suitable for case. So again, this is giving me references as well, and I can easily add it to my journal. So for the next time, I can come back here. Similarly, I can ask it. Uh, and again, it will, if it is in the documents, it will give me answer according to the documents. Otherwise, so because now this point was in the document, so it tells me adjacency refers to the relationship between pixels. Like so I can, and this is the reference that it's also giving me. So it's in the lecture 3 PDF on page 12, and I can also add this to the journal. So this is the main highlight of our of Tesla and how Tesla will help us study. We can go in the quizzes section now, and in the quizzes section, we can go into our class. And what we can do is we can generate a quiz from the course content of any topic we want. So this will help us learn all the specific topics. So let's say adjacency is again what we want to study. So what will happen now is the AI will search our uploaded class documents that the teacher has uploaded. The questions will be generated based on the content of those documents. Each question would be multiple choice from which we can change the number of questions and the difficulty level as well according to our needs and the quiz topic here, and the explanations will be provided for each answer at the end. So this is the quiz. Let's just dummy answer it. So as we said, ask for 5 questions. These were the 5 questions. Now I can review and so now this is the place where I can review my quiz. If I think everything's all right, I can go and submit my quiz. And when I submit my quiz, I'll get my result. So I got 2 out of 5 questions wrong. And the questions I got right or wrong, regardless, I'll get the explanation for it. So my answer here was correct, and I have the explanation. Here in question 2, my answer was wrong. So it will tell me which answer is correct and will also give me the explanation for that answer. Similarly, for question 3, it was wrong, and here is the explanation. So I what I can do is now I know that where I lacked and what questions were wrong. I can add these questions to my notes so that whenever I'm preparing for the chapter, I have these notes right here that I can go back and see what quiz questions I got wrong and what were the correct answers and the explanation for them. So this is the basic overview of my app, which is Easynotes. Again, an AI-based intelligent LMS that will help shape the education teachings and the perspective of education in Pakistan, inshallah. Again, these are the classes that I've enrolled in. This was the one that we created, and this was the recent journal entry that we added. So we can always go back. We can always go back to our notes that we created right here, or we can go back to the journal and we can go back to the journal tree that we already created, and it's auto save always, so it keeps on auto saving, or you can manually save it as well, and always Tesla's here to help. So that is it. This is my app that I am submitting for the AI rapper competition. I hope you like it. Thank you.